Here I'm going to show you how to use a set reset flip-flop. Under your basic instructions, go to Bit Logic Operations and choose SR. Drag that over and you'll notice it requires two inputs. On the first line for your S, when it gets power on this, it sets your flip-flop, which means it activates the power on the on the right-hand side, and that side is going to stay on until you reset on the second branch right here. Now let's define some. Right there we have switch 3 for set, and switch 1 to reset. On our output, we're going to use Q0.3. Now you'll notice it requires one more piece of information. If you want to know what that is, you click on your set reset and press F1. And this, in this case, is going to tell you the operand is that is set or reset. So this is where it stores the information of whether or not it's been set or reset. We are going to store that information in a memory bit. We can define whatever we want. So in this case, I'll do M0.3. But that's already been used, so let's make sure it's unique. M0.4. And when you download this to the device, we're going to bring up the simulation and watch what happens. So when I activate switch 3, 0.2, it turns on the set reset flip-flop. Now even if I turn off the switch, it stays on, and it doesn't reset until this switch 1, which is 0.0, is activated, which then resets your memory. So when I click on 0.0, it turns it off, and your output is turned off. Now this is useful for cases where you want to store your input. It's similar to when your counter was turned on, except it only requires that one input once. And this is also going to be useful for your alarm situation, where you want the user to reset when the alarm turns off, rather than when the door or window that was open has been closed, which would be your S.